We are born into this world of separation, and we have all had our share of pain and suffering. As we develop, most of us are taught in various ways that we are separate beings, individuals who experience the world but are not one with the world. So that is how we have come to view our existence as separate. We unconsciously agreed to this system of belief throughout our formative years. We have become attached to the illusion that we are not connected. But you do know me. We are in this world together, and we have come here to fulfill our unique purposes. Our world is better shaped when we co-create from our highest intentions. And we cannot address the divisions of the world, the disease we see all around us, if we ourselves are still suffering from our old dramas, traumas, and the outdated ways of operating that have kept us from really seeing one another's strengths and potentials. It's time that we collectively recognize that our mindsets need an update so we can wake up and grow up. We require a simple system for self-reflection that we can actively apply to our unique lives. One that can help us recognize when our fears or past pains are influencing our behaviors and decision-making. The new era has arrived, and the ROAR software has come with it. ROAR is a unified, transformational, 4-step structured practice of deep thought and reflection. ROAR is about being willing to go within ourselves and to redefine the ideas we hold about ourselves while actively participating in the material world. Our mindset training is universal. This is a process of introspection that doesn't require a separate certified education in order to use and benefit from. It can be applied to any of your own personally formed practices, those you have created, or those you have found useful on your own journey. You see, everything we participate in forms a decision on how we choose to experience the world, and how the world will experience us. We can decide today, right now, to align to something bigger than just ourselves. Join us.